As soon as I stepped on campus, I was like, oh, this place is nice. Being a first-gen college student, it was just a perfect experience of just a little bit bigger than my high school, but small enough to make sure that I had a connection with the faculty, staff, and other students.
I really fell in love with it because it seemed to have the right combinations of being a smaller school and more community-oriented and having the liberal arts, but also having a really big, active student body that was very into school spirit and so many clubs and activities that I couldn't even tell you how many. And so it really spoke to me, and that's how I ended up there.
Running is part of my life and what ultimately got me to UMW. So it was really the symbiotic relationship between being an athlete and a student at Mary Washington.
The coaching staff was amazing. The players we got were super talented, and I was able to grow as a player. I was able to meet a lot of good people on my team, especially. I'm still really close with a lot of my teammates. I really like the small classes where you can really have a personal relationship with everyone.
The professors aren't just professors, they care about you as a person. And I've heard from other students who've gone to bigger campuses that they just go in, take the class and leave. Our professors really care. They check in on you. They ask how your family is doing.
At UMW, you have the opportunity to chart your own path and explore what you want to explore and what you're interested in. And I think the biggest advice I can give anyone is just explore, make sure you go to a college where you have the opportunity to learn different perspectives, meet different people. I think that's something that I loved about UMW.